also, if one motor breaks down, the other motor will just keep going. You can open the car with the Tesla app, and if you forgot your phone, you can use this Tesla touch key card. So yeah, if you put it here, it will open. So here, and it's open. So yeah, you can open it. So you open it like this. It's pretty cool. I like this T sign. It's very cool. See? This stands for Tesla. And look, I like these wide seats. They look beautiful. I'm going to show you the third seater. So here it is. It's pretty comfortable for me. My older brother can sit here. My most favorite part about the Tesla is this panoramic sunroof. And this is one piece of glass. This has no partition. So the car is showing us how to start the car. So you put this key card like here, then yeah. And so I'm gonna do that. So you just put it like under the shadow or something. So yeah, and you press brake. And I press the brake, and it's now on. So this is the map. Here's the app. So right now, the Tesla is charged 281 miles. So yeah. So the name. Oh yeah. Yeah, the home key. It's here. Yeah, this one. So yeah, this one turns on the AC, and the phone key. Okay, now I'm a little crewmate. This turns on the heat, so now this seat has like heat, the ones that are like lines. So if you do this, you can like turn it up, turn it like one down, and yeah, you can change all the seats like heat. So yeah, you can change the heat, like this one is low, and like this one, and that one's off. And also the steering wheel can do heat. So right now the steering wheel has heat. So yeah. Okay. Now the controls. So yeah, you can control the bend, the flashlight, light, and the horn, and the honking for the steering wheel. And you can start the car, and the front trunk can open, and the back trunk can also open. So yeah. And the charging, you can change it. You can mostly change the charging, so you can put it like here, and if you do it up to here, it'll be 304 miles. So it's most best to keep it here. So yeah. Okay, and now the location. So our car is like where the blue dot is, and here is where we are, the red thing, the red arrow. And yeah, next we have roadside assistance. So yeah. So let's say we have like a problem with our car, and let's say we have this flat tire, the car will not drive, and like the charging has like a problems, and like someone will the service will just come straight right away. So yeah. And for now, we have driven 191 miles. If you want to buy a Tesla, go to our description and use our referral code. Then you will get 1,000 free supercharger miles. I forgot there's another thing it controls which is important. So yeah, we have Sentry mode, and what Sentry mode means in the car, that means if whatever happens to our car, it'll be recorded, so we need to keep it on always. And the speed limit mode, let's say we have like 85 more. And yeah, so it will alert you if you're going like fast, like driving fast, and yeah.
Keep summer safe.
So when you get in the Tesla, it'll ask you who is driving the car. So now it is my mom's, so I'm going to change it to my dad's. And the seats are starting to move. That means it's fixing everything automatically. So yeah. So basically this is like just like an iPad. So yeah, here's all of the options, and autopilot is the fun one. You can just put in the address and it'll drive you home. So here we have like a lot of entertainment: YouTube, Hulu, Tesla tutorials, Twitch, Netflix, and also you can play games. And there's Cuphead, which is my favorite game. So there is Toy Box. So yeah, you can make like farting sounds. I'm gonna make you guys fart. Oh my god, that's so funny. And you can make like music here. And here you can make like fire. It will be very warm. And in Sketchpad you can sketch a lot of stuff. So yeah, let's say I'm gonna draw you guys watching, okay? I'm gonna draw myself, okay? I'm gonna use green. Okay. I try to make a full smile. Okay, I'm gonna put my body. I'm not really good at drawing. It's me. Okay, so here you can like change like where the air should go. So I'm sitting in the front, so I need some air, so I'm gonna put it here. I can feel air, and you can move it all around. You can put it up, you can put it down, you can put it side. I'm just gonna leave it here, and for this while dreaming, I'll put it there. So in Toy Box, there's like this. You transform your mat into the surface of Mars, so it'll show the full Mars. And in Santa, there'll be snow, and look, it'll also do music. And in Rainbow Road, it'll give like your road a rainbow, and it'll be fun. This is one of the most coolest parts. So yeah, if you like press this, it makes a nice sound, and it's warm. I just felt the back AC and it's warm. There is dog mode, so if you leave it on dog mode, like say, like you put your dog, you can put it on dog mode, and the temperature would be completely fine for the dog. And in camp mode, let's say you're going camping in outdoors, so it'll like just same thing with the dog. It will just change the temperature. And safety security, keep Sentry mode on. So let's say a person is at your car doing creepy stuff. It will give you a notification to your phone like right away. So this is one of the Tesla games, so I am in the game. And look, this is the Tesla here. So I'm gonna do one player, and I'm gonna choose this one because I'm a girl. Okay. And I'm gonna choose level 1. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm super excited to play this game. I never played it. Okay, so here's my team players. 3, 2, 1. I'm going. Whoa. Ah! I'm really bad at playing this game. Okay. I can control. I'm just breaking everything. I don't know how to play this game. I'm breaking everything. Okay. Yes. Oh my God. Okay. Keep chill. Oh. Okay. At least I got the word thing. We have a lot of games. These games all look cool. You can open all the stuff like the front and the back, so let me do the front. Okay, guys. It's open. Let me open it. This car doesn't have any engine, so we have more space to store stuff. We're going to charge our Tesla in our parking lot. It's flashing green, that means it's charging. So let me show you. Okay. Look, this has like a power thing, that means it's charging. Please like, share, and before I end this video, I'm going to show you how does the Tesla drive by itself. Bye! Look at all the cars nearby us, it's so cool.